Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we're going to be making some chole.
Yay!
This is fastly becoming one of Mumsy's favorite Indian dishes.
It is. I love it.
Yeah, and we've had a couple of requests for it too. I'd like to thank Bhavani K and Sinder Sawanni for requesting chole.
Thank you.
Let's do this. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients that we're going to use to make the chole. First of all, we have the star of the show. We have the chickpeas. These have been soaked overnight and rinsed really well, so they're ready to go into the pressure cooker. I have an onion diced up, a couple of tomatoes also diced up. I have a tablespoon and a half of coconut oil. I'm going to use that for the masalas. There's a teaspoon and a half of garlic ginger paste, 1 green chili diced. I've also removed the seeds and the spine so it doesn't flame out Mumsies. We have 1 knob of ginger, julienne. This is for garnish. I have 12 sprigs of coriander leaves, and this is also used for garnish. This is diced up. I have 1 teaspoon of kasur methi, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric powder, and I've also added to it a pinch of black pepper to help the bioavailability. I have a half a teaspoon of ground red chili pepper. We have some whole spices for the masala. We have 1 inch of cinnamon, 2 cloves, green cardamom pod, and a small bay leaf. And then we also have a chole masala mix that is straight from the recipe, and I'll put a link to the recipe down in the description for you, and you can check this out and see exactly what goes into making the chole masala. So that's all the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started cooking. Okay, we have the pressure cooker out. Now we're going to go ahead and add the chickpeas to it. And we're going to add about 1.5 cups of water to go with that. Okay, we have the chickpeas in the water in the pressure cooker. Since it's an automatic pressure cooker, I just set it for 25 minutes. And at the end of the 25 minutes, I'll check it and make sure that the chickpeas are nice and tender. If they're not, then I'll just add more time to it. So I have the dry masala in a small pan on medium heat, and I'm just going to give it a quick toast. And then I'll remove it, and it's going to go into the mortar to be ground up into a powder. Okay, now we're going to get the rest of the masala going. Going to take the coconut oil, put it into a medium skillet that's heated on high. We'll get this melted down and we'll start with our other ingredients. Okay, the oil's heated. Now we're going to add the whole spices until they open up and start getting aromatic. Okay, next we're going to add the ginger garlic paste. Okay, next we'll add the green chili. And now we'll add the onion. Okay, next we'll add the tomatoes. And the turmeric and black pepper. Okay, the masala is looking really good. We're going to add the red chili powder. And the special whole Chole masala spice mix that we made. We'll get this mixed into it. It's smelling wonderful right now. So aromatic, all the spices, just absolutely incredible. Gonna get the puppy in there snorting. I guess the spices are smelling good for her too. Hot.
Somebody else joined us. They like Papa's cooking too.
What's this about? Huh? What's all this toot about? You think this chole's for you? You think it's for you? This is Mumzies Chole. This is Mumzies Chole. So now it's time to add the chickpeas into the masala mixture. All right, so the gravy is thickened up to a really nice consistency. We'll go ahead and add the kasuri methi. And then one of the optional ingredients for this recipe is amchur powder. So I'll go ahead and add about half a teaspoon of the amchur powder. We'll get this mixed in and we'll let it simmer for a while longer. Okay, the chole's finished cooking. Now it's time to put it in a bowl and let's put it to the test. Well, how's that looking for you? I think it looks pretty good. Well, how's everything looking?
It looks great.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, well, we have the chole ready. Smells wonderful.
It does. Let's dig in.
Yep, and we have some bature to go with it.
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Was that a Mumsies happy dance?
Yes, it's so good.
There it is, the Mumsies happy dance. First time making homemade chole.
Did wonderful.
Thank you. Yeah, the Batura's store-bought. Just heated it up in the oven, but yeah, maybe we'll be making some of that in the future.
Maybe.
Possible. I'm just happy that the chole turned out well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I didn't want to mess up one of Mumsy's favorite dishes now.
Nope. Oh, that's crispy.
Yeah, this dish took a lot longer than I expected it to take.
It did.
Yeah, but as with everything, you know, good things come to those who wait.
That's right. And it was worth the wait. So good.
The spices that this recipe called for, wow. Awesome.
Yep. Awesome.
Awesome, awesome.
So good.
So we've had a lot of comments asking why I don't use salt. And that's fine. I know people are just coming into these videos, you know, without watching the entire series, but we've had health problems in the past. We no longer have health problems, but I just got accustomed to cooking without salt. We don't need it, and our bodies thank us for not using it.
Yep.
But as with everything, of course, salt it to your taste preference.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we just don't need it.
Nope.
Well, Bhavani and Cinder, what do you think? Does this look like chole that you would have?
Let us know.
It's delicious.
It is. Very flavorful.
Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time.
Bye.